Herzlich willkommen zurück, Freunde, hier zum Let's Play von Tales of Berseria. Auf der Suche nach weiteren Erdenimpulspunkten und restlichen Furians. Es soll irgendwie insgesamt 7 Stück geben, die da irgendwie überall ein bisschen verstreut sind. Und dank Laffys jetzt großer Gabe haben die in der letzten Folge die restlichen vielleicht, vermutlich ja auch gefunden. Aber jetzt mal noch ganz kurz hier das Gespräch noch suchen, denn vielleicht bringt es etwas Interessantes mit sich. Mitteilen.
Let me ask you something.
More complaining, is it?
Come on, don't be like that. Every time I turn around, Velvet or one of the pirates is telling me to go make some delivery to some island. I can never get a break.
Isn't that just a sign they think you're a dependable guy?
Maybe, but I don't see them sending you off on errands. It's like they take one look at your face and decide to leave you alone.
I don't have a face.
Oh, right, sorry. The slip of the tongue.
Maybe you just don't know how much work I do around here. It's more than you think. Anything to do with iron, I do it. Making tools, repairing things. What do you take me for? Some kind of cheeky freeloader? I don't even have cheeks.
You're too funny. But doesn't it ever annoy you to have all these kids giving you orders?
I've spent my entire life thinking of nothing but forging swords. It's been centuries since I've interacted with youngsters like them. They can be a hassle, but at least it's a new hassle.
Yeah, that's what I thought at first. So I went along with whatever they asked. But I've been too nice, so they keep pushing work onto me. Maybe if I hadn't been so helpful, they would have stayed out of my face like they stay out of yours.
I don't have a face.
That's not the point. Aren't you even listening to what I'm saying here?
You need to make up your mind. You and I got on this ship alongside these people, who are putting themselves in great danger in order to live the lives of their choosing. If you don't like it, then go on and get off this ship with your tail between your legs.
Yeah, except I don't have a tail right now.
Was ein Gespräch, ey. Übrigens, ja, eine gute Frage. Er hat jetzt noch gesagt, er hat momentan keinen Schwanz. Verstehe ich jetzt nicht ganz, weil ich dachte, bei Eidechsen wachsen die gleichermaßen mehr oder weniger sofort nach. Also klar, vielleicht schon ein bisschen verzögert und so, aber ich meine, Teil ist jetzt schon relativ lange ohne Schwanz. Ich glaube, irgendwie seit Part Nummer 10 oder so irgendwie in der Art. Also, müsste langsam sich mal nachgewachsen sein. Zumindest in der Theorie. So. Jetzt aber hoffentlich alles gemacht hier. Wenn nicht, dann ist auch scheißen Honig. Nee, sorry, wir können jetzt ständig uns ablenken lassen, wenn doch die Hauptstory irgendwie so spannend gerade ist und keine Ahnung hat, was nächstes passieren könnte. Ob jetzt wieder irgendwelche Exorzisten auftauchen, etc. etc. Und dann natürlich die vielleicht finale Schlacht mit Artorius, vielleicht auch mit Innominat und was natürlich mit Shigure und Melchior. Und dann muss natürlich auch noch Captain Alfred gefunden werden. Und was Magilu überhaupt bei der Truppe hält, etc. etc. Also es gibt noch viele offene Fragen.
The first mate told me we're going to be looking for an Earth Pulse thingy, right? The ship's ready to leave whenever. Do you want to depart now?
Yo.
It's here! This is the Earth Pulse point! Nothing but open water as far as the eye can see. Is your Earth Pulse point down below?
Most of this world is covered by ocean, so of course there'd be a lot of Earth Pulse points in the deep sea.
But surely even the Abbey would have a hard time containing a Therian underwater, right?
Looks like this one's a bust then.
Sorry, everyone.
Hold on. We've seen a bug Therian. You don't think there could be fish as well?
You may have a point. I think I have just a solution for this.
You do?
This.
What?
Don't give me that look. I'll have you know this is Fujibayashi's rod. This baby's 9 feet long, made from a single piece of the finest bamboo aged 5 years, with a slow 60-40 action that almost feels alive when it bends. Its exquisitely wrapped handle feels like an extension of your own arm. And just look at that elegant black lacquer finish. It's as perfect a fishing rod as there can be.
I'm sure it's a lovely fishing pole, but fishing? Are you sure? This is a Therian we're talking about.
All the more reason. Remember who you travel with.
Okay?
Alright, if no one else will, I'm going to veto this fishing idea.
Aw, come on, let's give it a shot. Besides, I'm hungry. Even if all we catch is fish, at least we'll have dinner.
I'd love to have me some koi or sockeye salmon.
Don't encourage them. How do you attach the hook to the line? Like this?
You don't go fishing much, do you?
It's just been a while. I used to go fishing with my brother sometimes.
This is my first time.
Then we can try it together.
I'll teach you how it's done.
I didn't know you could fish, Eleanor.
Yeah, when I was little, old man Tenny taught me. He was from my village. I've caught at least 100 treat loaches over the years.
Wow, that's a lot of fish.
Those two really get along. If I didn't know better, I think she's his sister, not his vessel.
Eleanor certainly got Lafisette's number. Better watch out, Velvet, or she'll steal him away.
Lafisette.
Let's get the line set up properly. First, you take it and thread it through the hook, like so.
That looks hard.
Hey.
Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to do it with your eyes shut.
Okay, I'll give it a shot.
Laffy!
Huh? You mean me?
Oh, I was just... Be careful there. Wouldn't want you falling into the water or anything.
I'm not a little kid, you know.
It's just that Laffy fell in once. A long time ago.
Laffy? You mean your younger brother?
That's right. You reminded me of him is all.
If you say so. Is that all you wanted to say to me?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay then. I'm going back to fishing with Eleanor. People aren't as easily swapped in and out as fish hooks, are they?
Is that supposed to mean something?
Oh, Velvet, you gotta get it a lot tighter than that. Here, let me take a look at it.
Huh? Oh, all right.
Oje, oje. Was, die Vaneltier-Pirat... Ja, also wären wir noch nie als Vaneltier gewesen. Und jetzt schicke ich sie auch noch raus, wa? Da ist mal was Neues, oder? Dass wir jetzt einen ersten Film direkt hier finden, offenbar. Aber ja, im Prinzip, ich meine, warum groß irgendwelche Tempel abgrasen, wenn es doch eigentlich logisch ist, dass es auch auf dem Meeresgrund sein könnte.
Let's see who can catch the biggest fish.
Don't be ridiculous. Fishing is a solitary battle. It's about meditation and self-control.
Ooh, aren't you the philosophical one all of a sudden?
But I suppose. I can't deny I really want to put this rod to the test.
Yeah, I know that feeling. Whenever I find a good sword, there's nothing I want to do more than to swing it.
Sure enough. There's just something about good equipment that gets the blood pumping.
Yeah. Although in my case, it's usually more like blood spurting.
A bit too much blood either way, if you ask me.
Listen, we're fishing no matter what. Wouldn't the competition be better for getting that blood of yours pumping?
Fine. You're on. But we both know already how this is gonna end.
You can plan all the victory speeches you like, but fishing is like life. Doesn't always go the way you think it will. You ready? Let's do this.
At what point did the Therian hunt turn into a contest?
Wer weiß, außerdem muss ich gar nicht mit ihm quatschen. Zumindest eigentlich nicht. Expedition, mal gucken. Take a look at this. Warte mal, neues Extra. Yo! Ja, wir haben alles, Leute. Kann ich nochmal ausschicken, wenn ich noch Level 9 erreiche, aber... Ja, Gebiet frei war. Mal schauen.
Can I have my rod back now?
Hey, don't rush me here. If I don't get this squared away now, it'll just cause you trouble later.
I appreciate the effort and all, but do you seriously think we'll actually catch a Therian here?
Beats me, but the first mate hasn't met a fish he can't catch.
Huh. Eisen's really that accomplished of a fisherman?
Offenbar ja. Ich sehe gerade, hier hat es ja... Kann ich irgendwo rein? Schade. Ich meine, sieht aus wie eine Truhe, hätte ja sein können. Ja, toll, was kann ich jetzt hier drin? So, schon schön, dass er da irgendwie, aber was bringt mir das, wenn es hier irgendwie nichts hat? Doof. So, wenn wir mal sagen, Magilu.
If you truly admired the fishies, you'd never dream of doing this to them. No matter how tasty the bait, it's a poor trade for a barbed hook in the lip and a cruel death in the unforgiving air.
I don't admire fish. Fish exist to be caught and eaten, as far as I'm concerned.
Can't argue there. Raw, boiled, or grilled with a little salt. You can't go wrong. And if they're nothing but food to you, even their wretched squirms of agony can hold a kind of beauty.
Oder so.
Old Man Tenny sounds like he was a real goofball. Definitely. He used to say the weirdest things while we'd be fishing, just to make me laugh. Like what? Oh, it was all nonsense, but it was funny to me. Silly stuff like... Papero, popero, pippity-poppity-poo. Yeah, that's silly, all right.
Those two look like they're having fun.
Hey, Velvet! I've got your rod all set up for you.
Dankeschön.
You could even catch a whale if you wanted to. The rest is up to you. Now get out there and fish up a big one.
A Therian, you mean? Might as well give it a shot. It's not like anyone else remembers what we're here for.
Oh, something's pulling the line. Stay calm. Fishing isn't about strength, it's about timing. Oh, okay. Got it.
Here it comes. You ready?
Damn right I am. I'll fillet it before it can even land.
If it's a Therian, don't you dare kill it.
Now! Heave!
Well, what do you know? Neither a fish nor a Therian.
Well, shoot. Can't eat that.
Oh. It looks like it fit you though, Laphicet. Why don't you try it on?
I concur. Maybe it'll bring out his unique personality.
My unique personality, huh? See? What did I tell you? It looks great on you, Laphicet.
You really think so? Yeah, brings out your special charm, kiddo.
Come on, back to Therian fishing.
Oh. Hey, you don't need to take it so seriously.
I have to catch the Therian. Maybe then Velvet will see me for who I am.
Not a bite.
Oh, quit your grumbling. Who was it who said fishing doesn't always go how you think it will?
Spoken like a true, heartless pirate.
Oh, hey! I've got something!
Whoa, looks like I'm next.
Not a single decent catch.
I think it's decent.
Huh?
You found a look all your own. Ah, the vagaries of youth.
You don't take half measures, do you, kid?
What's wrong, Laphicet?
You look ridiculous. Take that off.
Stop it! What do you know about me anyway?
I know that looks silly on you.
All you know is you're Laffy.
Hey, Velvet, something's pulling on your rod.
Huh? Oh.
It's a big one.
Give it everything you've got.
I know what I'm doing.
It's a big one, all right, but...
A pot. Yay.
But what's a pot doing out here?
There's something inside it.
An octopod?
Wieso direkt 4?
I wish they'd stop making those noises.
Watch out.
Aua!
They're armed to...
Das hat ein bisschen weh getan. Vergiftet, hey. Schwäche Erde, sehr gut. Das ging schnell.
Phew, that was scary.
Be more careful before you approach a suspicious object.
You think Laffy would have stayed back?
That has nothing to do with this.
Hold on. There's something else inside.
Wie groß ist dieser Krug, wenn man fragen darf? Was geht hier gerade ab? Du, sehr stur. Wie braucht denn der? Das war episch. Aua. Bin langsam. Und er ist tot.
An octopus army, a horde of undead. What the hell is this pot?
Magnificent. To think I'd get to see one with my own eyes.
Huh? Is there something special about this creepy old pot?
Creepy, you say? That's why these things need to be left to the professionals. Listen and behold. This is none other than a water jug made by the potter Groon during King Clauden's reign. It was a legendary, once-in-a-millennium masterpiece, but it was lost in the Second Warring States period 200 years ago. Assertive, yet not ostentatious, the piece draws you in with its stately curves and the subtle shimmer of its colors, which belie a hidden savagery.
2 lectures in one day. Yeah, he's talking gibberish, but that's men in general, I suppose.
The lost glazing technique of the Orosaurin is so vibrant, it looks like it could start moving at any moment. Huh?
Oh, and start moving it did.
Look out! The pot's a demon!
So wie es aussieht, Amphibian. Ja, würde ich auch sagen, Widerstand. Schwäche nochmal Erde. Okay, war mal ganz kurz.
Whatever you guys do, make sure you don't smash it.
So, can I slash it?
That's even worse.
Stop arguing and fight already!
Ich bin ein bisschen verwirrt, Freunde. Ist jetzt mein Hart irgendwie auch. Aha, wenn der Kombi, aber natürlich in Feuer kombiniert habe, deshalb. Leute, könnt ihr vielleicht mal eure mystischen Art einsetzen? Wäre vielleicht auch mal ganz froh drum. Das glaube ich einfach nicht, hey. Zeit für Essen und natürlich seine mystische Art. Perfekt. Nee, nicht Arte, ich würde gerne Objekt, weil ich habe das Gefühl, dass Eleanor gar nicht satt. Hallo? Wieso kämpft ihr denn nicht? So, jetzt aber. Der hält dir was aus. Wir müssen eher mit Wasser angreifen. Der hätte bei mir, naja, klappt nicht ganz, was ich gerne hätte. Ist gerade nochmal drauf. Das war ziemlich hart gerade. Wieso tut ihr nie das, was ich von euch verlange? Es ist nicht so schwierig. Ich bin euer Herr und Gebieter, jetzt macht einfach mal! So! Aber doch mal switchen, eine ganz gute Idee. Badum. Vor allem deswegen, weil sie natürlich auch noch eine mystische Art drauf hat, die sie hoffentlich einsetzen wird. Aua. Oder sie auch nicht einsetzen wird. Mann, der Kampf dauert und dauert. Oder so. Aber schon drauf da! Also man kann sagen, was man will, aber der ist echt ziemlich hart. Aua! Aua, ich sag's gleich nochmal. Aua, aua. Ey, 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 ey. Will mich killen, ja? Hab ich nicht gerne. So, komm schon. Hält ihm noch was aus. Aua. Das muss ja passieren. Das muss ja passieren. Ich weiß, der Kampf ist gleich vorbei und so, aber ich muss trotzdem noch mal ganz kurz. Oh oh. Kannst du mal sterben? Offenbar kann das nicht. Au, 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 au. Ja, das hat einiges gebracht. Scheibenkleister, ey.
It's finally decided to behave itself.
Wait, Velvet! Don't eat it!
It's a pot. I'm not gonna eat it.
I guess there weren't any Therians to be found here after all.
Yeah, if there'd have been any, you'd think old Eisen's Reaper curse would have drawn him out.
Oh, so that's why all we caught today were weird, useless things.
Right. I forgot about the curse. So all this was Eisen's fault, huh?
Funny how quickly you get used to it.
Oh, my power didn't end up helping us out at all.
Nope.
Hmm.
But I know you're not the type to give up after a little setback. Isn't that right, Fee?
Huh? Fee?
It's your nickname. Not a whole lot of thought put into it, but... You're you. You're Fee.
Velvet.
Fee. I like it. It has personality.
Thanks.
Of course, if you still feel like giving up.
No, I'm gonna find us the next Earth Pulse point.
Oh, hey. There's something else inside the pot. This golden luster, it's orichalcum! I get it now. This must be where that ship sank all those years ago. The one Kurogane told us about.
Hell yeah! Kurogane might actually be able to make me an orichalcum sword. Nice find, Aizen. You too, Laphicet.
It wasn't easy, but we didn't come away empty-handed. And just getting a chance to fish again was lots of fun. Yeah, I had a really good time too.
Even I was entertained. Especially your little costume show, kiddo.
The sun's going down soon. Let's head back to Titania.
Na, eine gute Idee. Und erholen uns. Der Wasserkugel hat nicht schwören können, es wäre Amphibian. Ich meine, war relativ stark und so und es sah auch von der Form her und so. Gut. Ich meine, da der kopflose Ritter, das sah ähnlich aus, war auch kein Amphibian. Sag mal, was kommt das Teil jetzt? Ring des Hexers, selber Schwur, okay, ja, da habe ich jetzt Kamm. Love in Velvet. Mhm. Festungstor. Alter Wasserkrug. Wenn ein Grun ging ja kaputt, wäre Eisenboden zerstört. Naja, immerhin etwas, was wir gefunden haben. So, Freunde, sagen wir mal, vielen Dank fürs Zusehen. Nächste Party also. Wir haben ja ein paar Optionen offen. Urlaub im Unterschlupf. Aha, Urlaub plötzlich. Ja, und vielleicht wieder unterwegs zum nächsten Erdenpulspunkt. Wer weiß. Bis dahin, ciao zusammen.